Of 60 people surveyed, 36 had shares in BHP, 32 had shares in Fairfax, and 12 had shares in the National Bank. So that means that we would have 36 in total in here, 32 in total here, and 12 in total here. 8 had shares in BHP and Fairfax, 6 in the National Bank and BHP, 10 in Fairfax and the National Bank. All the people surveyed had shares in at least one of the companies, and the number who owned BHP shares only was 26. So that means we have 26 in this bit, 0 outside because they all had some shares. So the first thing we're asked to do is complete the Venn diagram and the number of people who had shares in all three companies, and find the number of people who had shares in all three. Well, that's the most important thing. Let's call this X in the middle here, because we always want to fill these Venn diagrams from the inside out. Now, if 8 have shares in BHP and Fairfax, that means in total that bit must be 8. So this is going to be 8 take away X in that bit. In a similar way, this must be 6 take away X, and this must be 10 take away X. Now, in this circle, we know the total has to be 36. So 26 plus 8 minus X plus 6 minus X has to be equal to 36. That gives us 40 take away X equals 36. X equals 4. And that means that we can fill this in as 4 and 4, and then this bit will be 2, and this bit will be 6, and we know 12 in total had shares in National Bank. We've already got 12 in there, so that bit must be 0, and 32 in Fairfax. We've already got 14 in there, so we must have a further 18 people. 18 plus 14 giving me 32. If a person was selected at random, what's the probability that the person had shares in 2 companies only? So those people are going to be here, here, and here. And so that is 12 out of the total of people asked, which was 60. Then we have the person had shares in Fairfax only. Well, we can see from our diagram that that's 18 people. So that is 18 out of 60. And finally, we want to find the person had shares in Fairfax, given the person had shares in only one of the companies. So people with only one of the companies are those people, and of course there's no people there. So 26 add 18, that is 44. So that will be the denominator. And the shares in Fairfax, that means it's 18.